afternoon, folks. This is your free daily update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Wednesday, February 27th, 2019. Today we're taking a look at the metals markets. The metals markets overall are getting a little bit frothy to the top side. And if we're looking at 5, 15, and 30-year historical seasonality, we could possibly expect to see a small pullback across the metals markets. Now you can see, notice here on the daily chart that we've attempted to put in numerous tops here, but they have all failed. So we had a small 1, 2, 3 top here, ran right into the trend line. We had another one right at the end of January, early February, came right down and ran into the trend line. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We have a small 1, 2, 3 top. We exploded up here to 1350, and now we're retesting this long-term trend line. If we break this trend line and close below it, ideally having 2 to 3 bars of close below this trend line with retest back to the 1320 level, we could expect to see the market come down and at a minimum test the 1300 even level. That would be about 20 points or about $2,000 a contract in the April gold. Now if we flip over to May silver SIK, see that it is a little bit weaker. We're already getting that break of the longer term trend line depending on where you drew it. We had an attempt here right at the end of January, which was a failed breakout, came back up, retested the high, so we have a small double top. Market looks very weak and looking like it wants to come down to 1545. So shorting here at these levels with targets down here at the 1540 would also represent approximately $2,000 move. As you would suspect, we're also getting similar moves in copper, palladium, and platinum. No confirmed tops in these markets. They're getting quite extended to the upside. If we look at April platinum, we've had almost a straight vertical move up since mid-February. And then if we look at palladium, we also continue to grind higher. A couple of ETFs you can consider to trade gold and silver if you're not trading futures or futures options are GLD, where you can sell out-of-the-money call spreads or buy puts. There's also a leveraged ETF in gold, GDGLD, which is 3 times the inverse. And then for silver, you can trade SLV, another very liquid ETF, or you could consider AGQ, which is already making a move, and ZSL, which is an ultra short ETF for silver. So hope that helps. Trade well. We'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.